Hello everyone. Today we are here to see how we implement the audio and text effects to develop a 3D scene enabled in mobile with less interactions. So for creating text and audio effects, I have already created a scene here, which where I have two cars and simply placed on a plane. So for firstly changing it to a mobile view as it's a mobile interaction for its we'll just change it to mobile. I have added the aspects. You can also add your own aspects. I have added mobile aspects for 1080 to 1920. As you can see, if I decrease the scale, now it is in the mobile view. So now for adding firstly the audio, you will have to simply go into the hierarchy table and from here you have to create empty. Now this you have to rename this game object as maybe background music. So now you have to add a component and here you have to go in audio. And from audio you have to select audio source because we'll be adding some audio source here. Now as you can see there is this audio clip none mentioned. Now I have already downloaded some sounds. You can also download it from the Unity Assets Store. I have already added, so I'll just simply use them. I have this universe sounds where I have some music for the background. So in the BGM game object, I'll just drag and drop the audio clip. Now saving the scene. If I play it, you can hear the music in the background. As I have attached to the background, I can get it in the background. I can so here it was the background music. Now I'll delete it. Now for adding next thing it is the text that we have to add. Simply we'll create empty again. Now naming the game object as text or maybe car. Now here the component which we have to add is the text mesh pro that is enabled in Unity. So here I'll just reduce a bit the size. Yes. I can have a text input here. It's inverted. So I'll firstly change its quotation so it's usable. Yes. So it's possible. I'll just name it as maybe car. Now I have to resize it for resize. Quite easy. This is how we place the text. Now for adding interaction or less interaction, all you have to do is add some C sharp script in which you have some functions in which you uh, make the small interactions possible. Now here I have already created a C sharp script for moving the car and I am moving it with a speed. I have already defined the speed as 3F. I'll maybe change it to 4F. And I have created this vector where I'm moving it forward with the speed in the given time delta. So when if we have to place the script here, so we'll click on the game object we are using, and here we have add and component. I have created a move card. You can also have your own scripts. I have already created one script, so I'll be adding move card. And as you can see, the size maybe 4, yeah, speed maybe 4. So I have enabled it. So when you run the scene, and if I click on the car, it moves. And when I click and keep on clicking, so it moves with it constantly. So this is how you create an a little interaction, and this is how we add objects, some interaction like which we majorly see when we interact with phones. and your mobile gadgets. And I have earlier shown you how we can add some text and audio in the giveaway. So thanks so much for watching.